warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friend, in this video I will tell you a storyline that may be familiar to you, and this is an Indonesia novel entitled Laskar Pelangi. Before I start, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Ayi Fena Emilda, you can call me Ayi. With the finalist student ID number 069. This novel by Andrea Hirata with a thickness of 534 pages contains a very interesting story. The novel is the true story of a writer in pursuing his dream to France. This life story is said to be a very interesting film by renowned director Mira Lesmana and Riri Riza. This novel is able to make the reader feel like drifting and carried away into the story in it. There is a growth in the novel is a mix of growth, but the more domain plot forward, the author used a first-person perspective. The novel contains many useful methods for its reader. Andrea Hirata teaches us not to despair in advance if they wish to achieve the desired dream. The main character of this story is named Ikal. He is a strong, intelligent, brave boy and wants to learn for the sake of a dream he wants to reach. Lintang character is a boy who is a very smart, genius, brave, but because of circumstances that made him drop out of school. The figure of Mahar is a boy who is good at singing, intelligent, and like to oppose it magical things. Miss Mas is a very good woman, with and very loved by the student, teacher, and many others. Story in Laskar Pelangi begins for the life of a boy named Ikal, who started the school with have to wait 10 children who went to aided school. In school, the Ikal, with Axios, Ikal, Sahara, Trapani, Kucai, Jadan, Mahar, Lintang, Borek, Kiong, Mismus, Mr. Harfan, and the parents waiting if there is one more person who would like to aid school in the primary Muhammadiyah. If not up to 10 children, they will not be able to aid school because primary Muhammadiyah will finish it. They wait for so a long time. Finally, a man witty was 15 years old and somewhat retarded mentally saved his friends. Also, named elementary school Muhammadiyah, Ikal and friends. His friend is very happy. Finally, they can aid school in the primary Muhammadiyah to achieve the dream and ideals of condolences with his friend in Belitung. The interesting thing about this novel is able to resurrect used not to the pain if easy. Wanted to I hit for a dream. Talk use so well against a fellow friend and want to help each other. Well, that's my explanation for me. Have a good time watching. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.